Hello guys, today we're gonna unboxing Blue Yeti Blackout Edition Assassin's Creed Origins. Let's see what it's in the box. Oh, that's the box. It's a very heavy box actually. Let's put this on the side and open the box. So inside we're gonna have a USB cable. Yep. You have a leaflet and Assassin's Creed Origins promotional code. Okay. Oh. That's a very heavy microphone. It's metal. So it's a very nice mic and it's very heavy. It's all metal. So in front they have a blue, it's a logo. It's the company name, Blue. You have a button, mute. You have a LED on the bottom. Here is the volume for the headset. And in the back, you have 4 buttons. You have a stereo. You have a cardio, omnidirectional and bidirectional. Wow. So I like the feedback from the, it's a nice one. Here you just plug the USB, here the headset if you want to hear your sound quality, and here is the volume for the game. It's a very nice mic, but it's also quite pricey, at usually 110 or even more. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, give a like, give a subscribe. See you.